no one out there can fuck with.
Bitches always tripping by the real one. Bitches always tripping by the real one.
It's the other folks still ain't got the shit together. Nothing better than suffering for forever, but the same shit. Different day, different type of way to play. Maybe save the day instead of being victimized and drive yourself insane. And the claim it's a fact, round my way be just attacked. Found my vein and just collapsed. Crack cocaine, I can't relax. I'll relax, I bounce back. One half ounce, I doubt that. Got trap house, I'm counteract. You back loud, let's sack around. She can rap, better get about that. Ain't never been no pop star. Keep that Mickey Mouse hat. Yeah. Pull any flag that ain't got the skull, and I promise you I'll douse that. Gasoline supreme, pouring out like the stream. I got sick of chasing dreams till I ran out of steam. Push my luck, push my buttons, yeah, it's turned into a theme. 7 warlord, long sword, pull out the shield.
Fucking ball, shawty, all this ice up on my wrist. Put up, hit a stage, chop her like a tie stick. Don't got this hurt, I'm in this bitch like body. First time with the words, had a tat, I tried